Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add an account to your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to begin, you'll need to click on the start icon, navigate to the settings. Now you should find the account right here. Then go for email and accounts. Click on add account. You can search or add a different source for it, like Google, for example. And right here, enter the information and you should be able to add your account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.